to Wat Rong Khun in Chiang Rai, quite popular. When you come to Chiang Rai, you must to visit. It's so beautiful, white temple. Let's come in.
And we have turned up on a Sunday, and so I'm afraid we are going to be competing with the thronging masses here, but so be it.
When you come to Wat Rong Khun, you can't wear something like this.
No crop tops, camisoles, see-through tops, strapless off the shoulder, and you must cover your shoulders, chest, back, belly.
Yeah, and this is called 5 p.m. For Thai person is free, for Farang or tourist is 100 baht for go in.
I tried showing my Thai driving license, they were having none of it. You need to show your ID card, I think.
People say you can't do like this because you make this is broken more than 10 already.
Oh.
This is for show for make nice but not mean for good luck or health anything now.
Well, I just donged it, so too late. Tunnel of white. This is pretty amazing, isn't it?
You can't walk back if you come here.
Yeah, you're not allowed to backtrack. There's a big glut of tourists that I'm just holding up behind me. Look at that view. Right, we are at the entrance. Where's Little Rose?
You can go inside there.
Yeah.
Not take photo, not film, take shoot out.
I'll take my stinky shoes off. As usual, it's midday. The mad dogs and the Welshmen are out in the midday sun. It's sweltering, isn't it? Super, super hot. And of course, all the other Farang tourists are here at the same time, aren't they? It's just crazy people.
Don't come Saturday, Sunday.
Super
Quite
busy,
busy
yeah.
and don't have somewhere for take photo.
We found this little spot here.
Yeah, but not beautiful there. Beautiful over there, but a lot of people.
How do you feel about being another tourist adding to the chaos here?
Very nice. I think when you love temple in Thailand, you have to visit this temple.
Yeah, it's a super
Number one
temple.
temple is Khao Kho, Phetchabun, Wat Phra Son Kaew. This is second one. I think it's so beautiful.
We haven't been to Ayutthaya yet. That's supposed to be
Yeah.
amazing as well. But look at the shade above us now. If I just go up a little bit, lots of these little things hanging from the ceiling, which is providing a very welcome bit of shade because it is super, super hot. And there's a few impatient tourists, aren't there? Sort of pushing through. So I've done my very, very best to get touristless camera angles, but this is definitely an Instagram versus reality moment. You have to work hard to get the shots. Be very patient. What we've got here is a classic case of lots and lots of Western tourists, ourselves included, myself included rather, and everyone believes they deserve the photo. So when you're going over to a place to take a photo, or in my case a video, everybody is looking at everybody else with a dirty look to say, hey, I was about to take that shot. And when there is a polite queue forming, usually between Asian folk, I have to say, not so much between the Westerners, there's a Western couple who seem to be from a nationality that it repeats the process. I won't name which one, want to be shot down and flamed on social media, who just don't give a monkey's. They just walk past, like, into everyone's shots. It's absolutely hilarious. Oh, I think I've just walked into this man's shot. I'm so sorry. Very nice. It is spectacular, isn't it?
Yes.
It is really spectacular.
Okay, let me show you around here. It's very beautiful.
So here is the Cave of Arts, which is a 50 baht cost option, but it's closed for lunch. This ape face is actually on sliding rails, look, can you see? And that's the door. So we can't go in because it's closed. Blinking alien up here, look at that. Here's the Gold Temple, which sadly is on a break, like Ross and Rachel from Friends, closed between 12 and 1. And obviously all the crazy tourists come. Oh, it's a good ramp though, look at that. This is the first ramp I've seen in Thailand, which is probably about the right angle for a wheelchair or pushchair. All the others I've seen have been like a very, very steep drop. Wow, nice, well done Thailand. Look at this yellow temple toilet. That's the most ornate toilet building I've ever seen in my life. Did you use the toilet?
No.
Oh, it's like a temple in a toilet. It's brilliant.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Happy you like it.
I could spend all day in there, sitting down, pondering life, meditating on the loo. Shall we walk?
Yes, I think we have to show you around here. After you walk around here, you finish and have a drink in front.
Well, that really is something. That's a very, very impressive temple. Definitely worth just a short drive down from Chiang Rai if you're in the area. As Rose said, try to avoid coming on the weekend because I suspect it's more busy on Saturday and Sunday than at other times.
Around here is a lot of shop, and this is a boat.
So this is just opposite the temple. There is actually a number of food courts. There's one, there's another one across the road.
Have the bank and gift shop.
Well, it's very important to have an ATM, isn't it, Rose?
Yes.
That's nice enough, isn't it?
This is tree, dress, church, food, coffee. Usually it have everything. You can rent Thai dress and walk around the temple.
Oh, that's a nice thing to do, although on a day like this, baking hot. Rose, look at this wood.
Yes, it's nice.
That's tremendous, isn't it?
Nice to relax.
เมนูก่อนนะครับ
ครับ
ก๋วยเตี๋ยวมีข้าวมี
ก๋วยเตี๋ยว สวัสดีครับ มีก๋วยเตี๋ยวไหม
60 baht, 70 baht for ก๋วยเตี๋ยว and ข้าวซอย ขอบคุณมากค่ะ
I probably want something cold. Okay, ขอบคุณครับ Right. Now this lady promises there's no sugar in any drinks here.
เอากาแฟหวานน้อยใส่ไข่มุกได้ไหมอ่ะ ใส่ไข่มุก
What are the choices here, Rose, for the fruit? I can't read that, sadly.
บูฮาวายโซดาแอปเปิลโซดาลินจีโซดาฮันนี่
Yeah.
Lime soda, strawberry soda, red soda, lime soda.
Red soda with lime. Is that-
Manao.
Yeah. Is that the
Yes.
last? Oh, right. I'll try one of those. I've never had red soda with lime before.
25 baht.
Let's do it. You've got a bubble tea.
Coffee,
Is it like a
bubble tea.
yeah, like a latte bubble tea? And I have got red soda with lime.
I love when we order drink like this. They have machine for cold like this. It's quite look expensive, but really it's 35 baht. This is coffee with the bubble.
Yours was 35. Mine was 25, wasn't it?
Yes.
Mine was soda-based drink.
Because I add this one.
Yeah.
Look at
Tapioca
that.
balls. Give it a go then.
I order not too sweet. Yes, very nice. Not sweet. Like I like 10 out of 10.
Can I try?
I like it. Not too much sweet, yeah?
Yeah, it's okay.
Nice. Speak Thai.
Okay ผัดกระเพราไก่1 จานครับไม่ใส่ซอสปลาร้าไม่ใส่ซอสหอย
ไม่ใส่น้ำปลา
ไม่ใส่น้
น้ำปลา
ำน้ำบ้า
This is my pad krapao chicken. Cooked in water, not oil.
Yeah.
As I'm attempting to just lose a little bit of weight. Although I'm sure this red soda is going to be not helpful for that. Here comes Roses. Cup and cup. What do we got there, Rose?
This is for me ก๋วยเตี๋ยวหมู
So pork noodles,
with bean sprout
bang in some bean sprouts.
add sugar fermented น้ำปลา
Right.
Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.